Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are looking at my April sub box from DEK Designs. I need to apologize ahead of time for the way I sound. I am sick. I have some kind of god-awful cold that my kid brought home from school. And because I haven't really had a cold for like 2 years, it's kicking my butt. I haven't been planning. I haven't filmed a video for a week or so. Everything you guys are watching was pre-filmed and there's still more to be edited, but this is coming out before that stuff because this is the April sub box. So anyway, let's look at this, and then I'm gonna go take a nap. Right, we've got the usual note that comes in it, which is really cute. I like these flowers. Spring is here, the season of rebirth. May the seeds we sow this spring bloom throughout the year for you and your family. Stay safe, sane, and well planned. Dawn, Emily, and Katie. And this is like really cute. I love the bows. We know this, right? The paper clips are like my favorite. I'm not going to sound nearly as excited as I am just because I feel lousy, and this video might get choppy because every time I've got to blow my nose, I'm turning the camera off. No, pausing it anyway. Okay, so this is really cool. White clip with a blue bow and a little gem on it. That's really adorable. I did get this on the screen, right? Yeah, okay. And then the extra piece of cardstock for patterned paper, which I've used many times in other things. Ooh, big stickies. Okay, so this is a very big sticky pad. Nice amount of sticky notes, very cute. Little coffee mugs that I love. Washi. Well, this is pretty. Okay, so we've got 2 rolls of foiled washi. I'll pull these apart in a little bit and we'll swatch them. But one is the pretty flowers off the paper with foil in the middle, and one is like a plaid with the foiled bows on it. Those flowers too? I don't think so. I think it's just the bows. I could be wrong. We'll look at them when we pull them apart. And then we've got... Oh, okay. So there's a little clear flower sticker on this. So we're going to have to figure out how to get that off. And this is really cute. So we've got our month worth of Aprils. Actually, there's 6 of them, so there's more than that, really. Well, there's, what, 5 weeks this month, maybe? And, yeah, so there's enough for the whole month. And little swishies to put them on. And these are, like, clear vellum-y stickers. So we've got, like, the torn corners, and the little frames, and some little stars, and some bullets. Oh, that's cute. Got little work laptops with eggs and bunny ears and bows and flowers. Those are cute. Ooh, we've got like a whole bag wrapped up like it's an Easter basket. That's adorable. Alright, so this is kind of loud, sorry. Let's see if I can get this untwisted. Okay, we're gonna have to find something to do with that bow. Oh, it's a good coffee mug. Oh, but it's yellow. Darn it. Alright, it could be worse. Alright, so we got a cute little flower. And coffee mug. And these are die cut stickers. A little chicken. And tulips. A blue peep. Little tray of colored eggs. And a postcard. That's adorable. And packaging over here. Ooh, green. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. There's a 3rd roll of washi. Did not see that. Okay. I'm gonna definitely have to swatch these. I didn't know there were 3. Ooh, a pen. I like pens. Ballpoint. We'll try that out. Let's look at the paper before we do the kits. Okay, this is the same 3 flowers. I love this. This is really pretty. And there's all the coffee mugs. I would definitely actually pick the flowers over the coffee mugs, go figure. And we've got these cute little... I'm not sure what these are made out of, but they're bunnies. And we've got yellow and ribbons, so we'll be going with the bunnies. Ooh, what are you? I think this is acetate. We got all kinds of cool flowers and Hello Spring all over this. That's cool. And a small piece of vellum that looks just like the flowers. Guess that goes with this. That's neat. It's kind of small for my planners though. And we've got the tulips from the die cut stickers. Oh, we got a scene. Cool. Outdoor patio. I like that. That's really cool. I wonder if there's a sticker that looks like that. Sometimes when they do scenes like that, there's a sticker. We've got little gnomes with rabbit ears. And this plaid, which I really like. This is super pretty. Forgive the sniffling, like I said, I am sick. Alright, so let's look at the kits now. And then, you know, it all comes in this. I bought those pull zipper bags off Amazon though, so I've been storing them in those. Alright. Let's look at the monthly kit that comes with it, because I'm gonna try to do my monthly spreads. I've got like 4 more packages coming today that I gotta film, and I haven't planned anything. I gotta plan things. Okay, so this is the monthly kit. So this is the one for April. We got that plaid paper, the pretty flowers. Here's part of that scene from the paper. That's cool. And then we got our dates and some washi down here and some corners. Sparklies. Alright, let's see. Okay, there we go. So we've got Happy Easter, April 2022. So the April and the 2022 are for this. We got a bunny, some eggs and some hearts, another bunny, and then paydays to buy, meal plan, rent, bill due, and mortgage, which I don't have, and cell phone, but it's got rent, so we're good. And then we've got this little sheet of more bill dues, currently watching, currently listening, currently reading. And then we've got like the same as some of the die cut stickers. So we've got like the blue peep, there's also a green and a yellow one, the tray of eggs, rain boots, the pretty flower, the chicken, which is also a die cut, some eggs, we got 2 happy birthdays, and some like egg dyeing stuff, cakes. I think that's a box of peeps, chocolate bunnies. So the tulips, that's a die cut sticker. There's the gnome with the paper. This is really cute. And always so well coordinated. And then here's the boxes to take up the extra spaces, the 2 little lists, the sidebar, that little header. These are super cute. I'm gonna like putting these in the planner. Okay, and then we have the actual sub-box kit, which is as usual super thick and very foily. I love the foil. Okay. And then we've got a different scene here. These are like patio doors with a spring wreath on them. And we've got all this foil on here, which is like flowers and Easter eggs and cool little like, I don't know how to describe it, doodly things. That looks really cool. I like these. I love these flowers. Okay, like I said, here's the scene from the paper. There's usually a sticker. Here's the coffee mug, which is the die cut, and a whole sheet of paper. A lot of these are die cuts. There's the sticker. Yeah, it all matches. So we've got like the chicken with the Hello Spring. And we've got our flags, our scallops, the scallop boxes, the bows, the work stickers, more flags, more scallop boxes, but I think these are like half the size of those. I should probably be turning these this way. Date dots. Pretty sure this is silver sparkle foil. They don't tell you, but I'm pretty sure that's what this is. And we've got our boxes, decorative, not decorative, habit trackers, headers. Look at the washi. Alright, this is like pastel paradise, really. There's a little yellow in here, but it's okay. It's not much. So you got the 2 different kinds of washi, the day covers with the foil on them, and then the little boxes and tags that I love. And then we've got the usual headers, the glitter headers, 5 3-heart checklists, the weekend banner, and then the scallops over here, and then there's 3 2-tone flags over here. And we've got 6 3-heart checklists, 1 5-heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, 3 of these boxes with the 2 lines of foil on them, and then all the usual words down here. This one does not have, what was the new one, like grateful or gratitude or something like that? That is not on here. So I don't know if that was like a fleeting thing or what. Then we got 4 sets of day covers. So like I said, you can do like a whole month of planning with one of these boxes and then some. It's more like an envelope, but it's a sub box, it's a sub box. Here's the sheet of people. There's lots of people. And then there's like some shoes and like an ice cream cone in a bag. Everything else is people. And we've got the extra sheet of the scalloped boxes, the boxes with the washi on them, and then the smaller scalloped squares, which I love all these stickers. And then we've got our little sheet of deco stickers. So this is all stuff we already saw in the kit. Got the little chickens, cupcakes, coffee mugs. That one's pink. Cupcakes. I don't know what that one is. I don't know what that is. Flowers, bunnies. We got all kinds of cool stuff in here. So this is really good. I like this. I know I don't sound as excited as I usually do. That's because I don't feel well. Alright, so let's swatch some washi. And we will write with the pen, and then we're going to wrap this up because I need medicine. I know, this is pathetic, right? This is like the worst unboxing ever. And I sound horrible. I'm so sorry. But I can't keep, like, not making content, so I'm working on it. Just gotta bear with me. Alright, let's get them all unwrapped. Alright, so we've got 3 washi, so we'll start with the big one. So this one is the 3 flowers that we've seen everywhere, with foil in the middle, and it's on like a blue, very light blue when you unroll it, washi. That's really pretty. And then this is the middle-sized one, and this is on like a multicolored plaid, and it's got the bows on it. It looks like they're double bows. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like. And then there's this one, which is like 2 colors and then foil in the middle. Sorry about the sniffling. I know it's worse than usual. So that one's interesting. That kind of reminds me of something from like Simply Gilded. I think I have some kind of combo thing like that from them on like a thin washi. So we've got our new sticky notes. And our new pen. Okay, I have awful handwriting, but that does write really well. Very easy to write with, which I like, so that will go in with the usable pens. Alright, so I think that's it. We have looked at everything. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.